You don't want to maybe have a resume that is 4 or 5 pages. If you think about your experience back home, they might have wanted you to have 4 or 5 pages with your name, with your age, with your sex and religion, with a photo. One of the things here is in Canada, that's a big no-no. We are mainly focused on just trying to make the process bias-free and discriminatory-free. So please make sure when you're formatting your resume, it's less than 4 pages. And at the top of the resume, you are only including critical information that will allow the hiring manager to just look at your contact details and see if at the top of the resume you meet up with their requirements.